up guys? So it's April 22nd, Sunday, and I'm here at Ikea, right there. About to check out the buffet they have here, so let's go. Here at the Ikea restaurant, finally made it, so let's go check it out. I just got my food here. The Swedish meatballs. Can't wait to try it. So let's go. So first off, the meatball. So it's not too bad because for me it kind of reminds me of a microwave dish, but it has more flavor inside. So let's try the vegetables. So these vegetables are freshly steamed because it's not too hard. And let's try the sauce here, this red sauce. So that one is actually cranberry. What? So I think that sauce it goes with the mashed potatoes or the veggies. I'm not really sure. Now let's move on to the next dish, the salmon fillet. Let's go. So here's the second dish, salmon fillet. Let's try it. So the salmon, it's pretty good. It's more flavorful than the meat, I guess. But it's like a little more slimy. Now let's try this green pancake right here. So that one was pretty interesting because it kind of tasted like a pasta and Alfredo mashed potato pancake. Now let's try the dessert, the marzipan. So let's go. Now for the last dish, the marzipan, the dessert, I'm gonna use a spoon because I don't want the flavors to mix. See what it looks like? Yeah, inside it looks like it has ice cream inside, I believe, or cream cheese. So let's try to find out what it tastes like. Wow, this dessert, it's really good because it's not too sweet, and then I think that the outside is lemon, and then the inside is cream cheese too, and then like the bottom, it kind of tastes like birthday cake for some reason. So that's like all the foods I have for now. So stay tuned for more. So after eating all that food, I thought it was pretty fantastic. What's up guys? So I'm here in Park's Finest Barbecue, and it's a Filipino restaurant. About to try it out, so let's go. What's up guys? So I just got my food. First thing I'm going to try is the tri-tip right here. Nom 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 nom. It's pretty tasty. So let's move on to the next one. So I'm about to try the longanisa right here. What it looks like. So let's go. So it's a little spicy, but it's not too spicy. And it's the first time I tried that it's spicy. For the first time longanisa, because usually I try it sweet. Now on to the last item, pork belly, right here. Let's try it. So this one is pretty tasty too, the pork belly. And then like on the menu it says it's been so roasted for about 16 hours. And it's pretty juicy too. It's pretty tender, not too hard. Let's try the rice now. And then the rice, it's cooked perfectly because it's not too hard, not too soggy soft, but just enough. Onto the desserts. So right here, I got the bibinka, what it looks like. It's actually cornbread bibinka. So the cornbread bibinka isn't that bad because usually I don't really eat cornbread myself. After trying the bibinka, it changed my thoughts. So onto the next dessert, it's flan. So let's try it. Buko pandan flan. It's not that bad because it's not too sweet too compared to like other flans I tried. That's all I have for you guys today. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, punch it, and give it a like too. And check out my other videos as well. So until next time, peace.